Okay, so the question today is how do we set up the quizzes and make question banks. That's a feature that's found in settings. And if you go to settings and then go to the far right, there's two important features over here. You can import and export course content. So if I want to create the actual question banks and I don't have them yet, you actually have to export the course content, choose quiz type, choose the quizzes that you want to export, and then you just create your export. And then after it's been created, you just simply download it. And you're going to download it and then upload it again. Okay? So I'll show you, so that's that part. So it's actually making banks as you export it. And then when you just bring it right back in, you go back to settings and you choose import course content. And you'll notice that we imported the last one. It's just a zip file. You choose QTI zip file, go find the file wherever you left it, right? We selected this one, and then you just upload it. And once it's imported, you'll know it's imported. It'll say completed. Okay, so that's how that works. If we go into your quizzes now, what that process does is it actually creates the question banks. So if I manage question banks, and the reason I didn't do it this time is because I didn't want you to have duplicate question banks. So you will get duplicate question banks every time you do this. So if you've done it once for one, just be careful, and you will get duplicate quizzes. So when you bring the quizzes in, you get duplicate quizzes. So notice that you now have 2 Unit 2s, etc. So you just want to make sure you can easily delete one over here on the right side if you want to delete it, that kind of thing. But it does organize stuff. And the reason you kind of want to have these question banks is because when you make tests, let's go to quizzes. When you make tests, you get some unique features. So we went over how to create a test, how to edit it. You already understand how to make quizzes. But the questions, so if you're trying to get different questions in your quiz, remember you can create a question group or find questions. So if you look to find questions, they're nice and organized. You know that this is a quiz from Unit 5. So if you'll notice, on mine, I have some quizzes that are unclear. But on yours, you'll just see the ones that are set up for you. And then you can pick the questions, check them off. You can also create random questions. So that's basically how that works. I'll send you a copy of this.
Okay.
And let's see.
That's good.